Hi YouTube. Okay, so gonna record this really quickly, then go live on Twitch. Happy Chainsaw Man Day, happy Tuesday. But I really wanted to show you guys some things that I got. So I got this like little Denji plushie. It's really cute and I love it. And I saw it and I was like, I need it in my life. And then I also got this pochita, which is really, really cute. It's also like the kind like you can stick it on stuff, but that's not how I've been using it. It's been living with my dog because the second I saw Pochita, I thought she looked just like my dog because my dog is also shaped like a little tube. But yeah, I just saw this and I was like, it's so cute. I really wanted a Pochita Halloween costume for my dog, but it didn't work out. So let me show you that real quick. Beep. That's my dog. That's Pochita. And they've been like sleeping together and it's like really cute. And I don't know, if you guys like follow me on like Instagram, you'd see like, or Twitter, you'd see my dog interacting with like the Pochita plushie. Like every time I move it, she's like really upset. She's like, oh, please don't move it. Like I had it in a very specific way and like sleep together. It's so cute. And I put Denji there too, but she like knocked Denji over and was not a fan. Let's actually get into it. If you have stayed part of the stream and been watching my reactions, pretty please do like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Oh, it's Aki. Do you think it was because Power noticed Aki woke up that she like reacted the way she did? She was like, maybe like, I don't want him knowing like I ran away, you know, since she's always like a little bit prideful and courageous. Also, this Power Denji interaction is really cute. Oh, just kidding. She's out. I thought she cared about him a little bit more. Oh, he's thinking about Himeno. Oh. 2 years? No, I'm so sad. I don't know. It's kind of like... It's really cool. Oh, Himeno. You couldn't do it? Not even for her? Oh. They're still there. They know. Oh, just kidding. He came back for the manga. It was simple. It wasn't complicated. Pochita, dude. I just want to say, like, I don't know if you guys realized, well, I'm sure you have, because a lot of you guys, most people that are Chainsaw Man fans have read the full manga, but it's like, the reason he didn't smoke cigarettes before was because he wanted to live a long life, but then after, what's it called, you know, his life is shortened because of that curse. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, his life is never going to be long. So it's probably why he also has cigarettes and, like, just succumb to it, right?
Has
interesting. That's really interesting. Like, I thought he was going to break down or be more emotional over Himeno dying, but no, not at all. Oh, he doesn't know them. First time. Face reveal. Official presence. Oh, he came for Himeno's grave. I'm so hyped. 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 I'm actually...
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ。
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
飼ってる方。
Hold up. Zoom in on this beautiful face. Daddy, Daddy, I love you. This man, please just, oh my God, cut me. Anyways, but also the responses were really, really like them, and I loved it. But like, I don't know, it just reminds me of Himeno and like that conversation they had.
好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
Booze, women, and killing devils. Wow, we have so much in common. But also he looks so dead. And soulless. He just cracked their backs? Is he hugging them? Is this a hug? They can't breathe? He's so strong. His eyes rolled back. Oh, he knocked them out. I guess he's breaking them down, maybe?
筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を俺は動けなくなる。
He broke their necks?
人間様と違うのは。
血の匂いじゃ。
What blood? Oh, okay, he's fixing them.
復活するとこだな。
Who is us? Holy shit. First off, training arc. I'm so hyped for the training arc. But secondly, this is going to be crazy. But also, what about Aki's training? Oh, I guess they've trained together already. His brain is diseased? I love them.
男の方は不死身、魔人の方は半分不死身。とっさに人の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持ってる。
That was crazy. Like, he was so fast. I mean, we could predict that he was like insanely fast because he was insanely strong. But like, the power of the sneak attack felt like slow even around him. But I'm really hyped. Like, I don't know, it like rang in my head when he was like, you need to stop getting your ass kicked. Like, he was like very punctual with those words, and it's like, oh, I'm so hyped for this. Why?
君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。
No.
その刀も。
I feel like, I don't know, I'm predicting that Aki's gonna die. Don't spoil it if you're a manga reader or whatever, but like, I forgot the guy's name already, the guy we just met, Daddy Strongman. Let's call him Choke Me Daddy guy. He mentioned revenge, and he wants revenge. So like, I don't know. Revenge isn't good. Revenge is not good. Like, I don't know. Like, I guess it drives him insane, but I feel like Himeno lied to herself because she knew like that Aki like wasn't like insane in a way. Like he had too much of a conscience or like a moral ground. Ooh, lady visitor. Is it Makima? Who else could it be? Maybe Himeno's sibling, relative? It's not Makima. It can't be Makima. It's... Who is it? Someone that looks just like Himeno? I need to see the face. Give us the face. Who is it? I'm so sad. This guy's pretty. What? Just break his nose. Dang, they're walking back. I just want to say, like, when she says 20, like, we know for sure that, like, the the amount of times that they've died like is like obviously way more than 20 because power is like I don't want to say bad at counting, but like perception of things are very like askew, you know?
マジで楽しくねえぞ。なんか俺すげえ頭良くなってきた気がするぜ。
うぬほかわしはもう達成100個思いついたぞ。
2つの頭脳が合わさっちまったらよ。逆に負ける方がむずいんじゃねえか。
今度はわしらが遊ぶ。
I love this. I love how they're like, yeah, we're like so much smarter. He's drunk. Like we can clearly win this. Okay, like I'm hyped for it, but also I love the manga reference, like the 4D like breaking of that wall. But anyways. Oh, so they made it.
超インテリ作戦開始じゃ。
I love how they dressed up like nerds. They're like, yep, this is how we will win this. We will win this. I don't know. I think it's so freaking cute. But also Power looks adorable. He knows, dude. He knows. Oh, does he know? Nope. Yes. Knocked out. I guess they need like really crazy instincts like him.
パーか。
Powie.
もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
And and like the recoil or I don't know. Yeah, like he didn't like he was like all excited, but Beast didn't trust anything on. This is crazy. Sorry, I was like, yo, that's so good. We didn't get to see who it was. I knew it. I called it.
あらら。手紙をもらいました。
手紙。
A love letter? I'm guessing. Okay, we are gonna see it. Okay, good. Hold on. This job pays pretty well, so don't worry about sending food or anything. Dad's been messaging me lately. I appreciate his concern, but I'm more worried is he taking his meds. Okay. We could go private instead of staying in public. See how to get ocular care. I brought it up, but he just brushed it off. Okay, not a love letter.
この部屋にいる悪魔と
I'm gonna guess he's gonna give up his heart. It already knows the contract if it's the future devil too. It knows what it wants. Or what he's gonna give. That was it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. There was a lot. We can definitely tell like next episode, like we're gonna see something crazy, definitely with like the teacher. So many questions with the future devil. So many questions with Himeno's sister. Low-key, I was thinking like also like, I don't know, those letters could have been like Aki saying like, okay, so this is the reason we have to get out. Like there's maybe there's certain aspects of it we didn't even get to see today. Like, I don't know, secrets of like, I've always heard like the theory that Makima's evil or something like that, and everybody hates Makima. So like maybe like something about the organization or something. I don't know. There's a lot of unanswered questions. But if you enjoyed and got to this portion, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon.